Hey everyone, check out the Vibrelli Mini Bike Pump with Multitool Bundle designed for cyclists on the go. This compact pump easily fits in your backpack or bike frame, allowing quick tire inflation anytime. The included multi-tool features essential functions like screwdrivers, wrenches, and a chain breaker to handle common repairs. Made of durable materials, both the pump and multi-tool offer reliable performance and long-lasting use. Its lightweight design ensures you won't feel weighed down during rides or adventures. Whether you're a casual rider or a serious biker, this bundle covers your basic maintenance needs. Stay prepared and keep your bike in top shape with this versatile combo. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.